E-commerce continues to grow with consumers spending $453.46 billion in online purchases last year. Online retailers have to keep up with that demand by improving their fulfillment process, and to achieve that, they turn to third-party logistics companies and drop-shipping suppliers to streamline the process. Many companies are looking to China to keep up with the increasing demand for faster shipping. So, what's the attraction to Chinese suppliers? Keep watching to find out. Dropshipping over 3PL. Normally in e-commerce, business owners use three options for order fulfillment: self-fulfillment, third-party logistics, drop shipping. Self-fulfillment is pretty self-explanatory. You handle everything by yourself, including warehousing, picking, packaging, shipping, and communicating with your customers. It's not efficient for managing cash flow or time, as most companies need to rent out warehouse space. When you use 3PL, you partner with an order fulfillment company. They handle the filing, packaging, and shipping elements while you focus on sales and customer service. The biggest benefit of 3PL is that you save time. The biggest disadvantage is that it can get expensive, and also you have to buy products in advance. Drop shipping saves you time and money. The supplier handles the warehousing and shipping, so you never buy inventory. Drop shipping supplier significance. Aside from costing very little money up front, dropshipping allows you to have versatility. You're not tied to X amount of inventory that you've already paid for with no promise of it getting moved. So you can test as many products as you want and sell only the ones that are more profitable. All you have to do is find a reliable wholesale supplier and drive customers to your online shop. Even when you choose an overseas supplier, you could still cut down on the time it takes you to get your customer, as you're not waiting on back orders. Why China? You've likely heard that a lot of your competitors are using Chinese suppliers, and you want to know why. There are four main reasons for China's impact on dropshipping. Materials are easy to get. China is an expert at mass production. They have refined, organized, and fast production lines, and their shipping services are unmatched. Sounds pretty good, right? That's why China is now the world's leading exporter at $2.27 trillion a year. Finding suppliers. Knowing how to find the right Chinese dropshipping supplier is the most important information you need. For starters, visit trade shows, speak to suppliers directly, and start to form a relationship. Online research is also a great option for finding info on a company's reputation and legitimacy, or you can use a dropshipping app that connects your store with a Chinese marketplace like AliExpress. But the best option right now in the market is to choose a sourcing tech app like Yakyify. Yakyify is the only dropshipping platform that helps you build an online business and make a profit in just a few clicks. Our software will provide you the products to sell by sourcing them directly from Chinese supplier at B2B prices, and will manage the entire order fulfillment process. China's impact on the world of dropshipping is pretty astounding, even for smaller companies. Want to see what all of the fuss is about? Sign up now on Yakyify to simplify your dropshipping efforts. And if you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.